Hello everybody, Chippy today. Not a Chippy at the Chippy, a Chippy at Harry Ramsden. Harry Ramsden Iceland Chippy. I've never really done a Harry Ramsden. I've done a few little bits. I think I've done the battered sausage and I've done the fish on a live stream. I'm sure that's the only two I've done. But I bought a few different ones today. So we're going to have a Chippy tea, if you get what I mean. And Harry Ramsden, Iceland, Chippy tea. Now the whole lot, it's quite expensive really for what I got. £19.50 it cost me all. So it is quite expensive, but chippies are expensive anyway, ain't they? So, let me show you what we got. Okay, this is everything I've got. I got myself, obviously, the chips, the Mary's Piper chip shop chips. I got myself 4 battered jumbo pork sausages. I've got 2 jumbo battered Atlantic cod, or haddock. I got cod. 2 chip shop style jumbo haddock fish cakes, mushy peas and curry sauce. The chip shop chips were £3. The curry sauce was £1.50. The mushy peas was £1.50. The jumbo fish cakes was £2.50. The jumbo cod was £6.50. And the battered sausage was £4.50. There it is there. You want to have a look? It's quite expensive, isn't it? But, I say the lad's back from the army, so I was going to get a chippy anyway. But the last one we had was a bit rubbish. So I thought, well, we'll try this. And this will be a lot cheaper than the chip shop. So, all in all, let's show you the ingredients on them all, if you want to have a look at them. Where are they? You've all probably had these before anyway. I ain't going to get all that in, guys. It is on the Iceland website anyway, if you want to have a look what's in there and that. There's that, it's wobbling everywhere. Now these take 40-45 minutes for the old fish. I'm going to do it all in the oven, because then I can do it all together then, if you get me. Instead of doing it in the air fryer. So, these I presume are microwaved. Microwaved for the peas and the curry. There's the nutrition and the ingredients, if you want to have yourselves a look. And there's the peas. Well, they're easy enough in the microwave, ain't they? Just warm through and that. Jumbo haddock fish cakes. Where's the thingy on this one? There we go, cooked from frozen. Cooked from frozen, 25 minutes. Say air fryer as well, but instead of 22 minutes in air fryer, 25 minutes in the oven. So I might as well just do it all in the oven anyway. There's them ones, if you want to have a look. I don't know if you can see it properly. Jumbo battered sausages. I think Nat's had this one before, and the lads, I'm not sure whether I have. We're going to have it today anyway. Oven 22 to 25, so they can go in with the fish cakes anyway. And then obviously we've got the old fries, haven't we? The Mary's Piper. There they are. 1 kg bag. Air fryer or oven as well, but I'll put them in the oven because I might as well. 20 to 25 minutes. Nutrition. Okay. Right. Let's get them open. Right, let's get it out. There it is. Oh, broke. There it is. Look, quite big, isn't that then? Very big. There's that one. There's only me who likes the fish, so there'll only be one fish being done. Harry Ramsden's good old battered pork sausage. There it is. 4 of them. I wonder if any of you have ever done these before and deep fried them, like you would in the chippy. That could probably be a good idea, wouldn't it? You'd probably get the proper flavours then. Chip shop curry sauce. There it is, they're quite big actually, ain't they? thought it'd be smaller than that. So that's really probably a large one. They are quite big then. Mushy peas. There's only me who likes the mushy peas, but I do like mushy peas. A lot of mushy peas. There's them, the same. They're all microwaved. And a jumbo haddock fish cake, which I've never had. And I do like a fish cake. I bet these would probably be nice on a burger, you know, on a bun. There's them. They look nice, actually, they do. Okay. And just the fries left now. And scissors. Open up. And there's the fries. So you've all probably had them, I know loads of you have had them before. Loads of you. Nice and quite chunky as well, chip shop style. Can't get my words out, it's normal. Right, we will get the oven warmed up and we'll get them in. Okay, there won't really a lot to show you really, just in the oven and done. That's all. I've got a plateful, a big plateful for me. There it is, oh. Massive plateful. Let me give you a closer look. There's my mushy peas. I was a bit concerned about them at first because they looked horrible, but they don't look too bad now. I've left them in the pot. There's only me having the mushies. There's the old battered sausage, and I have noticed they do start splitting underneath, look, see. There's the old chips. The old fish cake. And the fish. Caught to the end a bit there, look, and that's got the curry sauce, and the lads have had the others. What's that? Sauce is vile. It's not very nice. Don't like that curry sauce. Ooh. Oh, that doesn't like the curry sauce.
Have a taste.
Huh? Oh well, I'm going to have a dip now with a chip. Let me have a little dip. With a fry, a chip.
Let's put it in the middle so you can have some.
That's not bad.
That's fruity.
It's not bad. Yeah, it's like a fruitier flavour, isn't it? Mm. That's not bad, is it? I wouldn't moan at that if I had it.
But everyone likes different stuff. We can't all like the same. So.
No, but I wouldn't moan at it. I wouldn't moan at it, to be honest with you. It's not as good as Chippy, is it? As the mushies. They don't look the best. They know these old mushy peas. Well, it's mushy peas in it. Let's put some on a plate, actually. So we can have a look. Bring it down. No, that curry's nowhere good as like Mayflower and anything like that, is it?
That's what I meant. You can get... I'd probably have one out of the cupboard.
Bit of slop in there. It's a bit sloppy, look. Get a mix. No, it's all boiling hot, isn't it, so... Yeah, mushy peas, isn't it? A little bit watery, just a little bit, but yeah, mushy peas. Let's get on to the good stuff. Let's get on to this battered sausage first.
They're quite nice.
Quite nice. I'll cut it in half. You all probably had them anyway, ain't you? I said, I reckon they'd be better if you deep fry them. Like a chippy. I really do. And then I reckon they'd be perfect then.
How about air fryer? Air fryer.
I think it's right out too much. I reckon you deep fry them, like you get the greasy bits on the old chippy. That's what I reckon. Let's try a bit of this fish.
You've done your own battered sausage.
I've done my own, yeah. And I've deep fried them. And they're a lot better. Deep fried. Because you get that proper authentic thingy, don't you?
Is this posh chip place?
Yeah, Harry Ramsden.
Mm.
There it is, look. What's hot? That's nice, that fish. Yeah, that fish is nice. Now on to the old fish cake. Let me just break it in half. If I can, break some off. There it is. I'm not going to eat all this in one go, guys, if that's what you're thinking. Yeah, fish cake's nice as well. Oh, sorry. Do I think it's worth the money?
No.
£19.50.
No.
I don't either, do you?
That's why I just asked you.
No.
Did you make yours? Did you come on and maybe make
No,
yours?
I don't think it's not worth £19.50 for what I paid for that. Do you?
No.
No. Yeah. It's nice. I can't see what the mad rave is about it though.
No, okay.
The mad rave. You know, everyone says, "Oh, get it out of Ramsden's, it's delicious." I don't think for the price it is. Do you? No, I mean I done a fish and chips on my channel, didn't I? Remember? On my takeaway takeaway. It was absolutely delicious.
That battered sausage was the best.
Yeah, battered sausage. I done battered sausage, didn't I? I done fish. Did I do fish?
I can't remember.
I can't remember what I done. No, I don't think I done fish. Did I do fish? I can't remember. And I done.
You did curry sauce and everything.
I done scallops and all that, didn't I? Fritters is what you call them. Yeah, that's not as good as that is made, and I could probably make the same. A bit more, obviously, it's a lot more effort in it, but for probably a bit cheaper than that, apart from the fish. But if you've got some fish, I mean, you can get some cod up Aldi, just a bit cheaper than that, and just batter it yourself, couldn't you?
Yeah.
But I say, for convenience, yeah, it's there. But for 20 quid, I don't know. Let me know. I mean, I know a lot of you rave about it, get Harry Ramsden's. But if that, you reckon that's brilliant, then you should try mine, shouldn't they? Because that isn't as good as what people say it is. And that's my opinion. Anyway, as I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye-bye.